It's every young motor racing fan's dream to drive a Formula One race car. And for McLaren's Mercedes drivers Fernando Alonso and Lewis Hamilton, that dream extends beyond the cockpit of a 200-mile-per-hour racing machine. Former racing driver Hermann Tilke has become the world's leading race circuit designer. Tilke Engineering was formed in 1984, utilising his skills in architecture, civil engineering and electronic engineering. Combining those skills with his knowledge as a motor racing driver has seen the German mastermind the latest series of circuits specifically designed to host Formula One.
To be involved in Formula One, it was only in my bag of my head, but I wanted to design something on racetracks, and this was my aim. But to design a brand new racetrack, it was only a dream. I didn't think that it could happen.
But it's not all about the track design, and emphasis is also put on the design of the structures that hold the fans, the teams and the world's media. And it's Tilke's ability to capture traditional elements and incorporate them into his circuit designs that has kept him ahead of his contemporaries. One example is the paddock area of the Shanghai International Circuit.
When we start a new circuit, we have a clear sheet of paper and we start with fresh ideas. We learn from every circuit, and it's step by step is a result a little bit better. The balance between Formula One driver, track safety and spectator is not so easy to work out. The Formula One driver normally want to have very quick corners, so we have to bring design features inside which create action. And this is not easy to bring everything together.
With 4 circuits on the F1 calendar already bearing the Tilke name, Bahrain, Shanghai, Istanbul and Sepang, and another 2 to be added in the coming years, Abu Dhabi and South Korea, there is no doubt that Hermann Tilke is having a big impact on Formula One, and his passion for the sport remains stronger than ever. With a total capacity for 50,000 spectators and a main grandstand for 10,500 spectators, the Bahrain International Circuit includes state-of-the-art facilities to cater for any motorsport activity. Sand has posed a problem at the Bahrain circuit, as the track is in the middle of the desert, so organisers sprayed a sticky substance onto the dunes to stop the sand blowing about.
When we designed Bahrain, we looked to the environment, and we tried to show where we are, and we tried to show that we are inside the desert. We had a slope, and we used this slope for the track, so we have a lot of ups and downs there. When we start designing the architecture, we use the traditional elements to show that we here in Bahrain, here are in China and here in Turkey.
The Malaysian Grand Prix is held at Sepang near Kuala Lumpur. The Hermann Tilke designed track is built on a former banana plantation with monumental grandstands that have enormous roofs designed to resemble banana leaves. They are vital because it often rains with great ferocity at the track.
In the design process, we talk to drivers, not only actual drivers, also to former drivers, and they have their influence in the design.
We have a GPDA association of drivers that we improve safety, and if we see something in a circuit that we think that is dangerous, maybe we report that to the FIA and they have a think. But the new tracks are more safe, and I think maybe the old circuits are a little bit more fun to drive, with a little bit more dangerous on in. But I think the combination of old tracks and new tracks, like we have now in Formula One, is good for us.
Tilke has included in his design signature features such as long, fast straights and tricky bends. Hermann Tilke's passion for racetrack design is creating a new and improved experience for Formula One fans and drivers.
When I see the first time the Formula One cars driving on our design circuit, then I have to say I'm very proud.